Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 6 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system option. Now let's tap on reset options, and as you can see at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it. And here our device is informing you what it will actually reset, so the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. Let's tap on reset settings if you are ready, and here we've got also the information that this operation cannot be undone, so be aware and tap on reset settings. And as you can see, here we've got the information that the network settings have been reset successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.